Alright everybody, it's John, the home repair specialist, and Archie and Devin. Today we're doing some very large 6-inch by 36-inch ceramic tile floor. This house we put 3/4 inch lifetime waterproof Advantech flooring down for sheeting, and now we are mastic gluing the tiles down. It's some beautiful stuff. You guys can watch for a while while we work here. Put some more glue down. Get our line out. If you notice here, we've got a chalk line all the way through the house here. We pulled an extra 1/2 inch off the wall because this is a mobile home. The walls, they go in and out. They're not square. So we'll have to grout that extra part along the house where that's going to be wide at. So you got to have that snap line to keep everything straight. Otherwise, you'll have something that looks like a snake's back. We're using 3/16 spacers on this tile so we can have a nice heavy grout so it lasts a long time. Because this is a rental property, this isn't somebody's home that they're just going to move into or whatever. This is what we do every day. Fix up mobile homes.
You got it in that box right there next to you?
At least it's light.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And you couldn't ask for a better tile. I mean, this stuff is nice.
Yep.
Unreal.
Yeah, they fucked this up. Hopefully it ain't too bad.
So you laying tile, Jalen?
Yeah.
Are you the tile beast now?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are those for, Jalen?
Spacing the things out.
Cool. When did you learn to lay tile, Jalen?
Today?
How old are you again?
8.
8 years old. And already a ceramic tile man. Well guys, as you can see, we're coming a ways. In the little clip before this, you notice my 8-year-old son's learning how to lay tile. He's doing a pretty darn good job. Never done this before in his life. He just been helping me for a couple of days. Keep saying, Dad, I can do it. Let me lay them. What do you know? He ain't too bad at it. It's pretty awesome. It's a beautiful tile job. These floors are they're just fantastic. This house is coming right along, folks. It's a beautiful tile. Very durable. Heavy duty commercial tile. This will last a long time. We get this grouted, this will be one beautiful job. Just wanted to show you guys that we're coming along here on a big tile job. 700 square feet this one is. Guys, I appreciate you watching. We'll keep you updated on this thing as it goes forward. We've got a lot of stuff still to do. By the time this gets done, this house will be my second house, ready to rent. Somebody will be proud to live here. God bless. See you in the next clip. Alright folks, here's a little video of our tile floor. We just got done mopping it. Got her done. She's looking pretty good. Big rooms, big floors. We're down to a little touch up on some painting. And this house is way better than it was. Man, it was rough. A beautiful tile bathroom. All the bedrooms. Whole house is tile, even the closets.